Fortnite is one of the most popular battle royale game on this planet, and it won't be false to consider that it tops the ladder of popularity. Needless to say that it is available for the gaming consoles and PCs, and of course for your mobile devices. I think this is the reason which makes Fortnite so popular. But of course it has amazing gameplay, some timeless graphics, and most importantly you'll have fun while playing this game. But due to some legal wars between Epic Games and Google, Epic Games removed Fortnite from Google Play Store. So is there any way you can download officially Fortnite on your Android? Yes, there is, and I'm gonna tell you in today's video. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I don't want you to miss out on any important details. Hi geeks, this is me Samir. You guys are watching Geekified, and without wasting any time, let's start today's video. First and foremost, you need your Android device and some good internet connection speed. Secondly, now you have to go to this site. I have given this site's link in the description, so make sure you check it out. A prompt will appear and will ask you to save an APK file, so do it. Tap on download anyway. Once the file is downloaded, tap to install it. And for all the Samsung users out there, you don't have to go to a particular website. All you can do is just go to your Galaxy Store. From here, search for Epic Games and install this app. After the installation is complete, open Epic Games Store app. Give required permissions to Epic Games Store app. Now you have to search for Fortnite. Now tap on it. Now select install. So once you have installed Fortnite app through Epic Games Store app, now you have to open the Fortnite and it will automatically start downloading some approximately 12 GB of content, and that is the reason I asked you to have a good internet connection with some good speed. The downloadable content size may differ according to which phone you are using. Once the download is finished, you need to log in into the game with your Epic Store ID. If you haven't created it already, I'll suggest that you create it immediately because without it, you won't be able to play Fortnite. So once you have logged in with your Epic Store ID into the Fortnite, it will ask you to download HD textures or not, and my suggestion would be that you should download HD texture because without HD texture the game won't look good and there won't be any reason to play this game because we want some good graphics because we are playing Fortnite after all. After you have downloaded HD textures graphics on your Fortnite, now it's a time that you restart the game, kill the app, restart the app again, and voila, you will be greeted with some good graphics, and now you're free to play Fortnite with your friends or solo like me. And that is how you download Fortnite on any Android phone. How do you like it? Do let me know in the comment section, and while you are down there, make sure you subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any amazing content like this, right? And on this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye-bye.